German Technology Day is an annual trade show and conference that is all about supporting collaboration and innovation between German and Canadian businesses. Today we have a dynamic group of participants eager to share their expertise and explore potential partnerships. We are expecting people from any industry, any manufacturer, end user, OEM, machine builder, because they find all of the suppliers here, from process technology up to full industrial automation technology.
We're thrilled to welcome 35 German companies here today, one of our largest events to this date. Attendees can look forward to exploring the latest, greatest of artificial intelligence, machine learning tools, innovation solutions across various sectors, including manufacturing, automotive, robotics, automation, smart city technology, safety, and much more.
I'm excited to see all the different companies come together. It's really great to have them all at one spot, and they can showcase everything at the same time, and we can collaborate and see what everybody's got to offer. We're systems integrators, so we pull together a lot of technology that you're going to see at the show today. So we deal with these manufacturers all the time and pulling their products together and making sure we have good solutions for the different manufacturing facilities in Ontario.
A lot of times we're manufacturing products for companies on the floor and we're buying products from companies on the floor. And collectively as a group, we're able to innovate and bring best practices to the Canadian market. And even though it might not be visible to the people we support, we all collaborate, even though we're different corporations.
These parts that we actually separately sell actually all fit together. In Germany, we have specific norms that actually make things compatible to each other. Just the fact that we work within a certain range of standard norms, we can actually then share all these components with everyone else. So our customers benefit from this because they can mix, match all of our components together and they will work. When we say 24 VDC, it's 24 VDC. And sometimes one company will have a little bit more to offer in a precise circumstance, while you can just go ahead with that particular company and still work your PLC on the other side with that other company. 35 companies, all from Germany, showing you all the components they have, and buy them from whoever suits you best, and that's what we want to present.
German companies love standards, and when there are not any, German engineers will typically design standards. Some of the most innovative safety and quality standards that are in existence originate in Germany. So now we have the ability to bring those standards and best practices into the Canadian marketplace and improve the safety of our employees and improve the product quality and production quality of our manufacturing.
So collaboration between German and Canadian companies is advancing in the sense that now we're providing not just a product, but we're also listening to our customers' needs to ensure that we can provide a full solution that's easy to integrate and does the job very well. So for example, we have our IO-Link grippers, which are Industry 4.0, but we need vision-based systems to incorporate that and have it successfully work on a robot. So it's good to know what our vision partners are doing from German manufacturers, such as SICK, are using to be able to know, okay, what's available for us to utilize with our grippers.
German excellence actually comes from the quality of the product that we all make. The German manufacturers that are gathered today, and the commonality between all of them is the quality of the product that we all provide. German technology companies bring a lot to the table. They really prioritize research, innovation, have highly educated, skilled workforce, and their brands known for quality, reliability, and performance.
Important for us as administrators, educators to be engaged with an event like this. Really important for us to understand these technologies and bring it back so that our students can be exposed to the trends that they will be facing when they get employment.
One of the really cool technologies that I've seen here today would for sure be the back-off maglev conveyors up at the front there. I'm really excited. We already have a project that's scheduled with those kinds of conveyors as well. So getting to see it in person for the first time makes me just even more excited to get to work. with them in the future.
I think the big difference between Canada and Germany is that we are a country made up of thousands of SMEs that are all working towards the advanced manufacturing ecosystem, whereas Germany has many more large OEMs. And so we're a giant supply chain for potentially the German market.
For people attending the GTD, I hope the outcome is new contacts, new technologies, new ideas, alternatives, and solutions for what yesterday seemed to be maybe unsolvable. So we hope to find with you together new solutions for you and your customers. And this is really the intention here, is to just make you progress.
For more information, please visit GermanTechnologyDay.com.